So let's look at how we can apply a material to a cube in Blender. It's a bit complicated, but so I'm going to do it in very small steps. So once you open up Blender, you will see something like this. Then you click away from this, and then you will already have a cube. So this comes by default. So that's there. So now what you do, take the mouse, and as you see, I'm just making it the window is a bit bigger. So make this a bit here, and then you see this button here, that's the material. So you click on the material, and there is this material is by default there. So we're just going to use that material. So I'm just going to change the base color. You click on this base color, and it will show you different color options which you can basically select. So when I click, you see the different colors, and I select, for example, red. And then you see this so when I click, you see the different colors, and I select, for example, red. Yeah, and then you see this material color is changing. So we have already, there was a material, we just changed that color. So now what you do is you need to apply this to here. For that, what we do is you go to here 3D port view. So you see on the top, it's a very small button, so you just need to do one step at a time. Just click on this tree button, click on 3D viewport. So you have a sort of a user perspective here, and then make it bigger. And on the top right corner, you see these buttons here, right? So the first one is viewport shading, second one is viewport shading method to display, it's a solid display, and the third one is what we want, that is viewport shading material view. You see here, so when I point my thing, my pointer there, you see material view. Click on that. So let me see, it's a bit hacking. So you need to click on this one, and then you see your cube is changed. So if you want to view this, so what you can do, either click on these buttons here, or you in your mouse you'll have a middle button, right? So press that middle button and then keep moving it. I'm just pressing the middle button of your mouse, and then without releasing the middle mouse, and then move it. Then you see that the material is applied. So you see this user perspective is done. So we have applied the material. So how do we see it on this user perspective? This is the second one. So it's the same. You see the similar buttons here. Click on this one, and then click the middle mouse button, and then move it. So this is the process how you create a simple cube and apply a material. So there are three things. The block is there, and what you learned here is like a material view, this which is here, and then you create a material. So you can also create new materials, like here you see the buttons here. So I can just create a new material. You can just name it like how I can just name it like 2, and it actually replaces the old one. So what you can do is, yeah, so you see the more I create, it just keeps changing. Yeah, so you have these materials here, and you can change the color as you wish, like you can change it to green, and then you see it applies automatically, or you can change another material. So I can change this to say blue, and then so the list of material appears here. So that's the basic thing. Just keep this in mind, just play around with the materials, and then you will slowly learn from that.